Tony Novak here to Tax Trouble. Let's jump right in. Today's topic is the importance of filing an extension. Now, we're one day away from the individual and corporate tax return filing deadline, which is tomorrow, Tuesday, April 18th this year. So let's talk about who doesn't need to file an extension. Obviously, if you completed your tax return and it's already filed, you don't need to file an extension. Also, if you don't owe any tax and you're sure of that, in other words, if your only income is, say, a W-2 from a job and you're expecting a refund, well, then there's no downside to not filing an extension. You can file late. You'll still get your refund as expected and no harm done. In other words, if there's no tax due, there's no significant penalty in the federal IRS or most states for filing a tax return late. Where it comes into play is if you do owe tax, if there's going to be a balance due and you don't file by tomorrow, in many cases, you're tacking on an extra 25% to the balance that you already owe. It's as simple as that. So while that calculation is a little more complex, for sake of discussion today, we'll just call it 25% and leave it at that. So it will take only a minute. You can do it yourself. You can have a professional like me, somebody do it for $30 or less. All we need is your ID and your social security number. And an extension can be filed and confirmed accepted in just a matter of minutes. So that's it for today. Thanks for showing up. If you like what you saw and you want to see more like it, I invite you to follow me online or share.